Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I am currently very hot and sweaty because I have just done my power hour, which is today's video. So I needed to clean the house, but I didn't have a lot of time, so I set a timer in each room for 10 minutes and cleaned and tidied as much as I could. And yeah, that equaled to about an hour for my whole house. And I am so impressed with everything that I managed to get done. I think it's always really surprising how much you can get done if you've got a limited amount of time and you go really quickly. I'm just a little bit hot and flustered now. So if you're looking for cleaning motivation or you just enjoy watching these kinds of videos, then I really hope you enjoy this one. Just making myself the biggest iced coffee in the world before I get started, just to help with a little bit of motivation for the cleaning. I've set my timer for 10 minutes and I'm starting in the kitchen. I need to reload the dishwasher, just put away some things that the boys had for breakfast, clean the surfaces, clean the sink, go around with the hoover, and just try and get as much done as I can in 10 minutes. Luckily it wasn't too bad, so 10 minutes was just enough time to get it looking straight and tidy.
Flight mode, you move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll.
I even had time in the last 30 seconds to wipe down the floors. I didn't have time to get the mop bucket and everything out, but I just sprayed and just went round very quickly with some kitchen roll. And like I say, it really does amaze me how much you can actually get done when you've got a short amount of time, and if you're just like push through it, 10 minutes does actually go quite a long way. Then I'm off into the living room, which is messy, just needs a good tidy up, hoovering. The sofa needs plumping and sort of just looking a bit neater, and then I'll just polish around where I can as well and just put things away that are not supposed to be in the living room.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said, just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win.
The polish that I'm using in here is the Fabulosa polish, and I'm also using Lenore Crease Release as like a Febreze that I just really like the scent of. So I'm spraying that on the sofa, on the curtains, in the chair, and just, yeah, I really love the smell of it, and it just makes the room smell gorgeous. So that's what I tend to use that for.
Not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Keep on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need. Tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out. Find a place where I can breathe. Yeah. You show it all. Don't want anything to do with you. This is my win. I don't even care no more. Care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me.
Living room all done, looking much tidier. I feel like this 1 hour timer or the 10-minute per room thing is a really good option if you've got people coming round. You can just quickly blast around the house. Obviously you're not deep cleaning it, but it just looks so much neater in such a short space of time. And then moving upstairs into my bedroom, I'd had a little bit of a try-on session where I got all clothes out everywhere, which is pretty standard for me. And I've also got a suitcase that's got clothes piled up on it because I'm going away for a few days soon, so I've been trying things on for that, and I need to put some of those things away and make the bed, which I just feel like makes such a huge difference, and hoover and dust a little bit, and that will be the end of the 10 minutes in here.
With you. This is my win. I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
Wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you're trying to find.
Looking at this room, I would never think, if I hadn't have tried to tidy it in 10 minutes, that I would be able to make much of a dent in the mess in 10 minutes, but I actually really surprised myself because I look at this and think, oh my gosh, it's a tip. The boys had not made their beds that morning, there was just mess, and yet to me it looks really messy, like it would take me a lot longer, but again, achieved so much in such a short space of time. So I started by making the boys' beds, then put the clothes away, a little bit of a wipe around and hoover, and it was just looking nice and neat again.
Gonna leave when I need you the most. Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you're trying to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the
into Toby's room. Toby's room is the smallest, so I knew that the 10 minutes would be plenty of time to do in here, so I also included the landing as well, and I managed to clean the toilets within the 10 minutes that I had for this room. So I'm just straightening around. Like I say, it never takes me very long in here anyway, because he does keep it quite tidy. He'll go around with the duster and things, so it just needed some clothes putting away, his bed making, which again he had not done. They're normally quite good at doing that, but lately I've stopped asking them as much, so that's my fault really. But yeah, I managed to get this nice and straight, ran the hoover around, a little bit of dusting again, then moved on to the landing and dusted and hoovered on there.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love up beside of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead.
Then for my last 10 minutes, I am just going to tidy up the bathroom. It's always hard for me to film in here because it's just an awkward little space that the camera doesn't really fit in, but I'm just cleaning the bath. I'm using some pink stuff. I love using that in here. And I'm going over the sink in the bath and everything. Then I went down and quickly picked up anything off the stairs and gave that a hoover as well, just down in the hallway.
Closure, before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my...
This method with the 10-minute timer is definitely one that I'm going to continue to do, because I feel like I got so much done, or where I would normally think, oh, I've got 10 minutes, that's not long to get anything done. You can actually achieve quite a lot in such a short space of time.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier.
And then I was very pleased because I had just a couple of minutes left on my timer, so I ran back upstairs to just go over the bathroom floor and the toilet floor, again just spraying it and wiping it because it was just the quickest way to get it done, and it didn't really need doing too much, so it was just a nice quick easy option to just do that.
Girl, I see your face everywhere when I'm going.
And that is me all finished. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button as well if you're not already, and please do come back again for my next video. Bye everyone.